build real app using only your phone. So this is the app that I built right on my phone. This is the app I call. Let me tap on it for you to see. And as you can see, it is an awesome professional apps. It comes with all the menus here. When I tap on the home, you can see that everything is working perfectly fine. Okay. And I built it right using just my phone. So I have a link of this platform, the video description. Just click on it. It's going to bring you right here. Okay. And all that you have to do is simply come here to the chat box. Okay. And then come and then enter the prompt for the AI to build your app for you. So to get a prompt, I have a link of it in the video description. Click on it. It's going to bring you right here to this prompt. Okay. And all that you have to do is simply scroll down and then come here to where it says prompt to build a real app with Lovable. And then prompt starts here. Simply come and then long press at the beginning of it and then highlight the whole prompt from the top to the bottom just like this. And then after that, all that you have to do, since it's on your phone, all that you have to do is simply come and then tap on the copy to copy the whole prompt. Okay, so the copying is simply come back, okay, to your phone and then locate notepad on your phone and then come and tap on it. So when you tap on it, notepad will come and then come and tap on the plus icon. And then from here, all that you have to do is simply come and then long press on it and then come and then tap on the paste. Okay, so when you tap on it, the whole prompt is going to be pasted right inside notepad just like this. Okay, and this is what you have to do. The first thing that you have to do is simply come and then change the app name. Okay, so simply come here to where it says paste app name here, simply highlight it and then write your own app name, the app that you want to build, the name. Then the app description, simply come and then highlight, paste app description here, and then come and then write the app description. That is the app that you want to build, the description of the app, okay, in short terms. And after that, simply come and highlight the whole prompt, just long press on it, then come and tap on this three dots, and then come and tap on select all. It's going to select all the prompt just like this, and then come and tap on copy to copy the whole prompt from notepad. Okay, and after that, come back to the chat box. Okay, and then come along press and then come and tap on paste to paste the whole prompt inside the that is going to build the app for you, and come and tap on send. Okay, and after tapping on it, you are going to see that it's going to show you just like this that this is working to build your app for you. And as you can see, it has successfully built my app. Okay, and all that you have to do is simply scroll through, and over here you are going to find that we have the preview here. Simply come and then tap on the preview. After tapping on it, your app is going to show just like this. Come and tap on the close just like this, and over here you can simply go through your app. Okay, you can just keep tapping on the next and then come and tap on enter your app. So when you tap on, it's going to show the app just like this, and as you can see, the app is working perfectly fine on phone. Okay, you can scroll through and then you can look at it and then look at everything. So we have the menus right here. Simply going to tap on the explore, and after tapping on it, as you can see over here, I have the option to come and then swipe and then tap on anything, and everything is working perfectly fine. I can come and tap on the U, and as you can see, everything is working perfectly fine. Let's go back to the home. And when you are okay with your app, okay, all that you have to do is simply publish it. To publish it, simply come here and then come and tap on the publish. You can publish it for free. So they are going to give you a free subdomain, okay, and this is the URL, okay, that they are giving it to you. You can simply come and tap on continue, and after tapping on it over here, you see that come and then make sure that public is selected so that you can send it to anybody that you prefer. Then simply come and then tap on the continue. So after tapping on the continue over here, this is how your app is going to look like. If you want to change the description, you can change it, and then you can also come and then upload any social image, okay, by simply tapping on upload, and then you'll be able to upload it, and this is how your app is going to display, okay, if somebody search for it. You can simply come and then tap on the continue, and that is it. You see that over here you have a preview of how your app is going to be published. You have the visibility is public. You have everything right here, and then come and then tap on the publish. Okay, the tapping on is going to publish. As you can see, it is publishing the app for you, and the app is now live. Okay, you can come and then share it with anybody. To share it, simply come here to where we have the share option. Come and tap on it. Okay, so when you tap on it, it's going to open just like this. You have the option to simply come and then tap on copy link. Okay, now the tapping on it's going to be copied, and now we can test the link from any browser. So from your phone, simply come here to the Chrome browser, come and tap on it. It's going to open just like this, and then from the search, simply come and then long press on it. It's going to show just like this. Tap on the paste. It's going to paste the URL, and then it is going to log in right to the app. So as you can see, the app is working perfectly fine. You can go ahead and then test everything. Okay, so to install, you come and tap on these three dots. Okay, and then you are going to see that I have all this right here. Okay, and all that you have to do is simply scroll down and come here to where it says install and then create shortcut, and then tap on it. It's going to show just like this. Okay, and all that you have to do is simply come in and tap on the install, and the app is going to install right on your phone for you. So as you can see, it has successfully installed. And you can see that we have the app icon right here, and come and tap on it anytime that you want to open your app, and your app will open just like this. Okay, so as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. So this is actually how to build and then publish a real app on your phone for free. Okay, like the video and then see you in my next video.